So this is a video how to remove and install the door window on a Ram Promaster. This is a 2020 model. We couldn't really find any videos that actually explain it in detail, so I'm gonna do my best since I already had the door panel and the door disassembled already, so I'll just give you an idea of what's going on. So you're gonna have to pull this piece out. It's gonna be held by a Torx bolt on the bottom. There's gonna be T40 Torx. So you pull this piece out, it's going to be in this area. The bolt is going to be right here. So this, once you remove this, it will allow you to angle the window in different positions to get it out. Then on the bottom, to release the window, there's going to be this tab. So basically the window goes inside here. Let me see if we can focus on. This hole pops in over here, it slides over, and this piece on the outer side basically is going to lock it in. So it's a lock. And if you're pulling the window out, you're going to have to pull this down, and then the window will slide out over this tab. So that's an idea for you to remove the window. You're going to remove the rubber seal. Alright, so with the rubber seal out, okay. Okay, make sure you slide it in over the tab. Okay, now we're going to put the locking pin. Try our best to record it. Alright, so we got the locking pin right there. So if it's not popping in, make sure you put the glass in all the way, press it on. Alright, so now just reinstall the seal. Just kind of work your way around it. And that's about it.